Jaybird, you ready?
No.
Here you go.
Oh my gosh.
Look at his face.
You ready, dude?
Yes, I'm ready.
I know you've heard of this game, right?
Yes. New or continue?
Let's go to new.
2-button game?
2-button game.
Kick and...
And you're going to use your
punch.
D-pad a lot for left and right, dodging their punches.
Oh, okay. Should I press something? Or start up? Round 1.
Jaybird versus Glass Joe.
Oh, I thought it was Mario.
Mario is the referee.
Oh, this dude's way too tall.
You should beat him with no problem. I have faith in you. Every time he blocks one of your punches, your heart goes down. You're gonna get tired. Hit him in the face. Up. Hold up. There you go. There you go. Now hit him in the gut. Oh, wow. You dodged his first punch.
Oh.
Nice. For Glass Joe.
Did that punch up me? No.
Oh, you didn't move in time. Now you gotta dodge. Now hit him in the face. Oh, you had a chance.
Why? Why? Like... Why does he look concerned? Did I kill him?
No.
Did he kill me?
No, it's round 2. That was just funny.
Why? I don't get it.
Well, what don't you get? It's just to knock him
How
down.
do I kick him in his stomach?
It's just boxing.
How do I box him in the stomach?
You don't hit up.
I've been doing that.
If you hit up, you hit him in the face. If you don't, you hit him in the stomach. It's that easy. It's a 2-button game, bro.
Oh my gosh, and this 2-button game is annoying.
I know.
I thought it would be better.
You don't gotta worry about left trigger, left bumper, right bumper,
Which is
L1,
easier.
L2. Ooh, hit start. When you get a star, that's what happens.
Good job.
What? Did he get back up?
It's boxing. They get 10 seconds to hit him in the face.
That's what I'm doing.
Oh, a little late. You could have knocked him a free knockdown. Stomach now. Face. There you go. Switch it up when he blocks.
You're gonna get tired.
Oh, you got a star. 2 stars. 3 stars. Oh, you used one. Just keep hitting him. There you go, dude.
Whoop, whoop.
What do you think of it now?
Good.
And you got 3 stars. You know how to use those, right?
4, 5. Oh. Oh.
Oh, A and B. Or A and X. A and X. There you go. You almost got him beat. Start.
It's not letting me.
Oh,
Quick start.
you already lost your star. If you get hit, you lose your star. Dodge. There you go. Now hit him in the face.
Gosh.
If you would have knocked him down one more time, you would have had him.
It's too hard.
Is it too hard?
No, it's not that hard. It's easier than the zombie game or whatever it's called. A lot easier. It's annoying though. Like, why can't I move around like he's doing?
You can. Dude, there you go. Kind of figuring it out.
I forgot you could use it.
Remember, if you dodge his punches, like dodge, you got like 3 free shots on him. Face or gut.
Do I have my start? No, I do
No.
not.
Hit him in the face when he comes down. A little too early on that one. Okay, dodge. Face. Ooh, start. Oh, you gotta dodge those. There you go. Hit.
Doesn't let me.
Dodge.
What? It doesn't, like, whenever I dodge, it doesn't work.
A and B, bro. Or A and X.
I'm
That
up.
was close. Dodge. Oh.
It doesn't let me. You saw me dodge on that one.
Get up. Faster, 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 faster.
It's not letting me. It's not.
And Glass Joe has defeated Jaybird. You want to try
Is
again?
this the easiest character?
Dude, like, usually, yeah, that's the easiest character by far.
Dad, last time I played this, I did so good.
Oh, you played this before?
Yes, I did on that TV.
Oh.
He did the Wii version.
Oh.
It's way easier.
Yeah. On the
This is
Wii.
old school, bro.
Yeah, this is old school.
Ruthless.